$6,600 day we've done. And in September, we've done $34,000. Hi, I'm Nathan Bokers, co-owner of the Wealth Warriors. And we didn't always have days like this. Back in 2021, I was your off-highway log truck driver, working 12 to 15 hour days. It wasn't until my kids asked me, "Daddy, why do you work so much?" And that hit me like a ton of bricks. So in 2021, I hopped online, decided to learn some new high-income skills, and in just 5 months, I was able to quit that full-time off-highway log trucking career. And since we launched our program on December 19th, 2022, we've done over $442,000 with our own product. So if you want to learn how ordinary people just like you, I want you to comment Warriors down below, and I'll personally reach out to you and get you started.